Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into sort of a Amazon tool, more like be aware. So basically, if you guys watch the channel, you guys know I like to do a weekly Amazon tool deals video. And with the end of the year coming up, normally we would see Black Friday deals, end of the year sale, a lot of different individual sales. Well, basically what is happening with this year, with the whole supply shortage and everything being held up and all of that, locations really don't know how much of a certain item they're going to have or when it could possibly be in. So instead of doing your standard Black Friday deals or end of the year sale or holiday, Christmas sales or anything like that, they're basically running a sale from now to the end of the year, and you're going to find some really good deals. Maybe not so much amazing Black Friday deals, but there are going to be a lot better deals than what you would normally see throughout the rest of, or previously through the year. So you're going to see some good deals. Maybe not Black Friday good deals, but you're going to find some good deals. And they're going to be constantly changing because they have a wide variety of things on sale. This goes for Home Depot, Lowe's, any basically home improvement store, Menards. A lot of these stores are doing the same thing, but it's not going to be the same deal. Like you might find this set at Lowe's. They might not have this deal through the rest of the year because they don't know how many sets they're going to have or when they're going to get them in. So you're going to see a lot of different deals throughout the rest of this year. So stay tuned for that. But when I do my Amazon tool deals videos, I like to mention anytime possible that whenever you're buying tools, whether it's Amazon or anything, but when I do my Amazon tool videos, I like to try and mention the fact that it is very important to not just buy something on Amazon even if it's on sale. What you want to do is you want to look at the manufacturer's website if they sell them directly at the website, or if you know any other locations or websites that they do sell them. So let's say you find a good deal on Amazon and you're like, before you click that buy it now button, check other websites, check other places, just to make sure you're getting the best deal possible, because if it's on sale there, it means it might be on sale somewhere else. And sometimes when you see things on sale on Amazon, it's really a lot of the times the regular price. So finding the actual good deals is a little bit harder. It can look like a good deal when there's a lot of the times when you can find it a better deal somewhere else. And now it's like double down. So like now it's really important to double check the pricing of whatever you're looking at on Amazon to other websites like Lowe's and Home Depot, because they have a lot of sales going on from now to the end of the year. So here we are looking at the set, the DeWalt set, and this is just kind of my my demo for this video. It is Delta Charlie Kilo 299 Delta 1 Whiskey 1, and it is a impact driver and hammer drill combo. You get they're both brushless. You get a charger, an 8 amp hour battery, a 2 amp hour battery, and a case. And then it is the power detect, so it works with the different batteries, the 60 volt or whatnot. So it's a good deal. Originally around the $400 price range. Right now it is on sale for $295.99, so a savings of $104. So that's a pretty dang good deal. And definitely worth checking out if you're in need of a drill and impact driver. But with the deals going on, if you scroll down a little bit, you may see this information over here on the other side. These sellers are selling them closer to their original pricing. So when I do my Amazon tool videos, I try to find you guys the best prices. So all of the tools that I have linked down in the description for you guys, I try to go through monthly or every other month and update and try and find the best deals possible on Amazon for those tools. So I do have a lot of tools down in the tools and tools continued link down in the description for you guys if you want to check that out. But right now when you're buying tools, it's definitely important to check other websites. So remember that $295.99 for this set. And then here at Lowe's, with their sale going on, once again, right over here on the right hand side below the price right now, you will see the normal price is $399. and it is on sale for $2.99 right now. It's the exact same set, same charger, battery sizes. It's the same kit. And so Amazon had it for $2.95. So you might think, oh, it's a $4 that you're actually saving, roughly. But when buying it at Lowe's, unlike Amazon, here you get to select your free gift. So even though you're saving $4 there, here you're really getting the better deal. So here are 4 different tools that you can select from for a free additional tool with your purchase, and the cheapest one is $180 value, and the other 3 items are all $200. So the circular saw, $200. Another hammer drill, $180. Cordless angle grinder, $200. Reciprocating saw, $200. So all very good deals, and who doesn't like an additional tool thrown in? So if you're going to spend the $295, you might as well spend the extra $5 and get yourself a free additional tool with the kit. And this doesn't just go with power tools. Even when you're looking at your standard tools here on Amazon, just make sure that you check out Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, any home improvement or tools store that you normally shop at sometimes. Just compare the prices, see if they have any deals going on, because a lot of businesses are doing these sales through the rest of the year. So stay tuned. That's it for today's video, but I will be doing a Lowe's and Home Depot Black Friday deals video. Obviously, through the rest of the year, it's going to be constantly changing, so the things you see on those videos might not be on there for the rest of the year. So it's going to be up to you to really check out the websites for yourself and see what deals you can find. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, and just keep in mind, it's always best to check more than one location before buying tools, because buying tools can get very expensive, and I'm trying to do my best to help you guys out in finding the best deals possible. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.